What is Pysanka? Well, it's a decorated Easter egg. Many Ukrainians consider it to be our Easter staple, and of course it is. But it was born way before Christ did, or resurrected, for that matter. So what does an egg have to do with Easter? Well, if you ever wondered who came first, chicken or Christ, you definitely can relate to those of our ancestors who found eggs fascinating. The mystery of the egg, with its hidden life yet to emerge, was commonly associated with the creation of the universe. The egg yolk reminded people of the sun, which was regarded as the most powerful natural element. Ancient pagans in Europe observed the spring equinox as the return of the sun god from the underworld, a rebirth of light and an emergence from the lean winter. The two vernal equinoxes, the only 2 times a year when there is a perfect balance between light and dark, day and night, were auspicious and potent occasions celebrated by people whose lives depended on the fertility of the earth. Civilizations worldwide created rituals and celebrations to tip the balance into a fertile spring, a time of renewal, regeneration, and resurrection. The egg was a magical talisman which had the power to ward off evil, guarantee a long life, a good harvest, bring luck, joy, and prosperity. With the advent of Christianity to these lands, many of the ancient pagan rituals were adopted by the believers of the new faith. This way, the painting of eggs became a part of Easter traditions. The symbols and ornaments on the eggs didn't change. What changed was simply their interpretation. The circle, the sun, the cross, stars and dots, the tree of life, the bird. These are the types of symbols written on the Pysanka eggs, because the word itself comes from pисати, which is to write in Ukrainian. But what do all these symbols mean? For the most part, we really don't know. These traditional Ukrainian symbols can be found throughout Ukrainian decorative folk art, on embroideries, ceramics, paper cut work, weavings, wall paintings, carved wood, metal work. They have been handed down to us from generation to generation, and many were first created back in early Ukrainian prehistory. Over time, as religions and beliefs have come and gone, symbols have changed their names and their meanings. And in modern times, with the suppression of all the old beliefs, much has simply been forgotten. So, to the creator of the modern Pysanka, they are probably mere decorative elements. And although the Pysanka is no longer considered to be a talisman, the magic of this tradition keeps captivating people not only in Ukraine but around the world.